In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your birthday on LinkedIn. Let's begin this step-by-step tutorial by navigating to LinkedIn. Open your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. You can do this by signing in with your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, you can use your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you have your phone handy because you might be prompted to enter a verification code sent directly to your phone number. Once you've successfully logged in, you're on LinkedIn's main page. Here you'll see a Me icon, which is represented by your profile picture located at the top right corner of the menu bar. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Choose the View Profile option to move forward. On your profile page, you'll notice different sections that highlight your professional information. Focus on the Introduction section, where you'll find an option labeled Contact Info. Click on this to access your contact details. As you do so, a pop-up window will open showing your contact information and a small edit icon right next to it. Click on the edit icon to continue. In this editable space, you'll find your birthday section. Now this is where you can adjust who can see your birthday. Look for the visibility settings represented by an icon. Click on this icon and you will be given options for who can view your information. Select only you if you wish to keep your birthday private and visible to only yourself. Before finishing, it's crucial to make sure that you save these adjustments. At the bottom of this window there's a Save button. Click it to confirm your changes. This step is important because if you forget to save, the settings won't be updated and your birthday could remain visible to others on the platform. And there you have it, you've successfully adjusted your LinkedIn settings to hide your birthday, maintaining a little more privacy on your profile. It's always a good idea to regularly check your visibility settings. LinkedIn and other platforms often update their interfaces, so it's beneficial to stay familiar with where to find these privacy settings. By taking control of what information you share, you ensure your professional profile reflects exactly what you intend. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy networking on LinkedIn.